Hello YouTube, how are you doing today guys? Welcome in another video of PPC Incubator. Today's video guys, I want to talk about Performance Max campaigns. Performance Max is probably the most powerful tool inside Google Ads at this moment. That's because we don't need to create different campaigns to run ads across the entire Google network. Yes, exactly. We just need to upload in one campaign, in one Performance Max campaign, some headlines, some descriptions, images, videos, business information, and so on. Then it's up to Google to create the right ad to the right for the right user in the right moment and in the right place. So as always, let's go straight to the platform and I will show you how to create it and I will give you also some tips. Here we go. So we are again at the home page of Google Ads. Let's create a new campaign. So for this campaign, it's really important to select the correct objective, because if we are running, for example, campaigns for an e-commerce, we need sales, because then we will select the product feed. If you're running lead generation campaign, we need to select leads, because then we will have more options than sales for lead generation. And also the input that we are giving to the algorithm is different, because for example, if we are running awareness, probably the algorithm will push more on YouTube or display. If we are selecting sales, the algorithm will push more shopping or search. So again, it's really important. So in this case, let's try with sales. Then again, as always, we are going to select the conversion action, campaign, Performance Max, test PMax. So the setup is quite the same of the other campaign. So we are going to select the bidding, let's say conversion, but if it is an e-commerce, we can also select conversion value, and then next, let's say Italy, let's say Italian. First important option, automatically created assets. So I really suggest to turn it off, both of them, because if we allow them text assets, will create automatically new content for us. So let's say that we don't want to run ads on search network. By selecting it, Google Ads Performance Max will create it for us. And final URL allow the algorithm to lead the users to another URL different than what we select in the setup, like in a few seconds. More settings. We can think to exclude some brand keywords, if especially if we have brand campaigns on search. If we don't exclude brands, Google can also create brand ads on search. So to almost make sure that we have the full control of brand campaigns, I really suggest to exclude our brand keyword on Performance Max campaign. Here we are in the asset group. So as I told you before, we have many contents to upload. So we can upload images, we can upload square images, landscape, or portrait. I suggest, if you want to run also on display network or discovery, I suggest to upload the three formats with different variations. So like 3-4 square images or 3-4 landscape images, and so on. Then you need to upload also the logos in different formats. So we have the square and we have the landscape. Inside the asset group, you can also see the different sites. And then we can upload the videos. We can straight bring it from YouTube channel. And then we have headlines, we have long headlines and descriptions. So YouTube, the video will allow the algorithm to run on YouTube. Headlines is for Gmail, display, search, and discover. And then we have something about business name and extensions like site links. We have a call to actions. I mean, you can decide to put all the information here, but if we are running a shopping campaigns for an e-commerce and we want to run only on shopping network, I suggest you to don't include any contents here. So the campaigns will run mainly on shopping, but for what we can see from our clients, it happens also that Google can create some search ads or can run a shopping ad also in other channels. And then we have signals. So it is another important point of Performance Max campaign because we have a few options. For example, we have search themes, so it's not search terms, be careful. So search themes, Google is asking us, tell me what your business is talking about, tell me the main topic, so I can already give to the algorithm some information. Okay, and then we can create also audience signal, which is another input that we can give to the algorithm, and we can create an audience signal with different information. So for example, we have first party data. It means that we will upload on Google Ads a first party list, for example, of our customers, and then select it as an audience signal. And we can also add interests like the classic audiences that we can find on YouTube, we can find on display. So we have in market, live events, detailed demographics, affinity, and custom interests. So you can select whatever you need, and then let's put also some demographic. Let's say 25 until 54, and then next, budget €1. Next, again summary, budget value is required. Yes, we have €1, so it's okay. Okay, we need to put something, and then next. Yes, €1 is fine. Summary, and yes, we can publish the campaign. So here you don't have the ad group, but you have the asset groups, and from edit assets we can change and manage our contents. So we can change images, logos, videos, and so on. On the signals, we can change the audience signal. So for example, before we select autos and vehicles, baby and children's products in market audiences, and also the demographic targeting, we can change everything even when the campaign is running. The only thing we are missing here is the product feed listing group. But again, if you're running campaigns for an e-commerce and you are using a product feed, here you will see another button, listing group. But I will create a specific video because we need also to understand what is a product feed and how to manage it, and what we have inside the asset group once we create a listing group. So that's all for today. If you have any question, please drop a comment down below. I will appreciate it. And if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. It can help our channel to grow. And that's it. Thank you, YouTube, and see you next time. Bye.